I would like to start with Amish Shah. He is a director of Ascent Smart Waves and works in the digital transformation. So I would request him to share his experience of how digital transformation can be adopted in the SMEs particularly, and what are the best practices to work with the SMEs. Amish, please.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. So, sir, over the last decade plus that we have spent working with SMEs, predominantly in India and to some extent in UAE, what we understand is generally businesses know how to do business, but they don't know what technology is going to be the best for them. And the problem is not technology. If I had to break it down, I would tell it is about processes and people. Why? And let me take a minute to explain both of them. So processes, businesses में जुगाड़ होता है. Is it okay if I keep on switching between English and Hindi? Businesses do some kind of jugaad. So you have an accounting software, then you have an inventory software, then someone told you about some software for lead management, for inquiry management. You'll have different disparate systems already in your business. And then one fine day, you come up and think that, okay, you know what, मेरा business एक scale से बड़ा हो गया है. अभी ये एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम्स जो आज से 5 साल पहले चलती थी, 2 साल पहले चलती थी, दे वोंट वर्क नाउ. दिस रियलाइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस प्रॉब्लम. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि पीपल डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकता है बिजनेस. ये एसएमईज के केस में स्पेसिफिकली दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग द प्रोसेसेस, डिफाइनिंग देम क्लियरली, एस्टैब्लिशिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. एंड सेकेंड इज पीपल. So while you are removing people from processes, you have to empower people for decision making. So SMEs में क्या होता है? Owner wants to take all decisions. एक 500 रुपीज़ का वाउचर है, वो भी ओनर ही सैंक्शन करेगा. एक 5 करोड़ रुपीज़ का टेंडर है, उस पर भी फाइनली ओनर ही साइन करेगा. नाउ दिस क्रिएट्स अ लैग. जब तक आप पीपल को एम्पावर नहीं करोगे, आप SME के टैग से बाहर आ ही नहीं सकते. So if I have to summarize my 10-15 plus years of experience in this space, it is limited to these two lines. Processes strong करने हैं SMEs को, and people को empower करना है. Only after that your digital transformation should even start.